morning. In this video, I'm going to be doing some straight back feed-in braids. I don't know how it's going to come out because excuse me. I don't know how it's going to turn out because your girl got a whole world right here. And I'm a little self-conscious when it comes to this forehead. I don't really wear anything going back. But I don't know. I just had this idea of me wearing some braids going back. So I'm going to try it. If I don't like it, you know, I don't like it, I just take it out. So it's going to be like a little vlogish style video. I'm going to try to cut it as short. Well, I'm going to try to make this video as short and entertaining as I possibly can because, you know, the struggles with this channel is like, I just don't know what to post. It's early in the morning. He is the only one up. The girls are sleeping. I'm going to wake myself up, you know, brush my teeth, wash my face, take a wash my hair, take these jailbirds out. Before we get into this video, do me the biggest favor and hit that thumbs up button. If you are watching this video right now, hit the thumbs up button. Please, I cannot stress that enough. It helps out my channel a lot. So support your girl and hit that thumbs up button. I gotta fight him from coming into the bathroom with me. Anyways, brush teeth time. Toothpaste, toothbrush. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, She, ooh. Look at the light. Look at the light. Look at the light. The hair is out. Ooh. Alani is woke. Gotta brush her teeth.
Hey, I'm Alani. What? I can say
Oh, okay. You ready?
I can talk.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Sorry. I done it.
That's a phone. I was burning.
Let's go. Show them the clean hands and your clean teeth. Current situation.
Hi. I did brush hair.
Nope. Didn't make it to the tub yet.
I'm coming to the cup.
No, you're not.
Yes,
No, you're not.
you take a bath with me?
No, I'm taking a bath by myself. I'm done washing and conditioning. To wash and condition, I use this Pantene Pro V and regular old Suave for condition. My hair is still damp, so while it's damp, I'm gonna apply this right here. You could apply it damp or dry, and then I'm gonna blow it out using this blow dryer. As you can see, my hair is super thick, so when I tell you I'm going to murder my hair with this serum, I am going to murder it, okay? I applied a humongous amount of this serum before blow drying. Yo, this blow dryer is the best thing that could have ever happened to me when it comes to hair, okay? Because this thing, it makes it so easy. It saves so much time just to, you know, get that perfect blowout.
I'm doing mom's hair and Dad's sleeping.
So I gotta put Adonis to sleep because he won't let me do anything, okay?
Yeah, he won't do that.
So it's gonna be a process for me. Finally got him to sleep. It is approaching lunchtime and I'm gonna snack on something to eat and try to get as much as my hair done as possible before these two little rugrats wake up. Let's go. All right, so my hair is still, a little thick. So I'm gonna take my flat iron. I'm just gonna flat iron the front, so it can be a little bit more manageable. Got my hair sorted out, ready to go. So I'm gonna do this first braid. We're gonna see how it turned out, and if I like it, I'm gonna keep going. All right, so here we go. Okay. If you've gotten this far into this video, you're still watching, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and support the channel by liking that button. It's absolutely free. Thank you and continue enjoying. You see that? All right, so I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the braid. I like it, Only thing I know I'm gonna have a problem with is parting it. So we're gonna excuse that. Keep it going to the next braid. Do you see this forehead of mine? Oh, Lord. Listen, keep watching to find out if my baby hairs was successful in making not making, but like shaping my face with the forehead and just making it look a lot cuter. Here is the finished, completed, final look. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Leave your thoughts and opinion. I would love to hear what you think. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow your girl. It's Chiquita Braids. It is a little fuzzy, so what I did was I just applied some mousse, tied it down with a headscarf, let it dry, and boom. All right, that concludes my video. Listen, I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm feeling it. I'm 100% for it. It came out really nice, you know, thanks to some edge control and some eyeliner and lip gloss. You know, I don't know about these earrings though, but yeah. Listen, you gotta give me a thumbs up for my effort, and I made it all the way through, because you know I didn't think I was gonna make it all the way through. I made it through. Smash that thumbs button, okay? Smash it. That's it, all right? Smash that thumbs button. Yeah, do that. Support, show some love, comment below, let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in my next video.